Welcome to English Focus. Hey everyone! Welcome to English for Business Communication. In today's video, we'll explore real-life office conversations to help you improve your business English. Follow James on his first day at work as he interacts with colleagues, asks for help, and gets familiar with his new workplace. These dialogues are packed with useful phrases and vocabulary you can use in your own office environment. Let's jump into it.
Good morning, everyone. I'd like to introduce James Carter, our new marketing officer. He's joining us to strengthen the team and bring fresh ideas. James, meet the team.
Hi everyone. It's great to meet you all. I'm really excited to be here and to start working with you.
Let's go around and do quick introductions. This is Danny. He's a senior marketing officer. He's been with us for 6 years and knows all the ins and outs of the department.
Nice to meet you, Danny. I've heard great things about the marketing team here, and I'm excited to be part of it.
Welcome aboard, James. It's always good to have fresh energy on the team.
Danny will help guide you as you get started. He's the best person to go to if you have questions about campaigns, tools, or processes. This is Lisa. She's our senior graphic designer.
Hi, James. Welcome aboard. Let me know if you need help with any visuals or presentations.
Thanks, Lisa. I'll definitely keep that in mind.
And this is Raj, our digital marketing lead.
Nice to meet you, James. Looking forward to collaborating.
Likewise, Raj.
Great. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. For now, let's get you settled at your desk. All right, James, this is your desk. Your computer's been set up with your login credentials. You should have an email from IT with all the details.
Great, thanks. I'll check that out right away.
You'll also find a folder on your desktop labeled Marketing Onboarding. It contains all the key documents you'll need, like the team structure, current campaigns, and a marketing calendar.
That sounds really helpful. I'll go through it today.
Good. Now let me show you around. This is the printer and scanner station. You'll need your ID badge to use it.
Got it. Is there a guide for setting up the printer on my computer?
Yes, it's included in the onboarding folder. If you run into any issues, IT can help. Over here is the coffee room. We've got coffee, tea, and a fridge if you bring your own lunch.
Nice. I might just live in here during breaks.
And down this corridor is the meeting room area. Your first briefing is in room 3C.
Thanks, Laura. This is super helpful.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything else. James, before you dive into your tasks, let's meet your direct supervisor, Chris Wayne. He's the marketing manager. Hi, Chris. This is James Carter, our new marketing officer.
James. Welcome to the team. We're excited to have you.
Thank you, Chris. I'm really looking forward to contributing to the team's success.
That's great to hear. Laura, thanks for bringing him by.
Of course. I'll let you two get to it.
What's your background, James?
I've been working in digital marketing for about 3 years, mainly focusing on social media campaigns and SEO strategies.
That's excellent. We've got a lot of overlap there. You'll be working with Danny on optimizing our ad campaigns and exploring new platforms. Have you met Danny?
Yes, I did. Laura introduced me to Danny and the team earlier.
Perfect. Have you had a chance to look at any of our ongoing campaigns yet? Start with the Q4 campaign details, and let's touch base tomorrow to discuss your first assignment.
Sounds good. I'll be prepared. Hey Raj, grabbing a quick coffee?
Can't start my day without one. How's your first day going so far?
It's good, but a bit overwhelming. A lot of new names and processes to remember.
I know the feeling. Don't worry, it gets easier.
Thanks, that's reassuring. So, how long have you been here?
Just over 3 years. It's a dynamic place to work. You'll enjoy it here.
I hope so. Excuse me, Lisa. Do you know where I can find the marketing campaign files from last quarter?
Sure, they're stored in the shared drive under Marketing Campaigns, 2024 Q3.
Got it. And how do I access the shared drive?
You'll need to map it on your computer. T should have sent you a guide for that.
I must have missed it. Can I watch how you do it?
Absolutely. Let me show you.
So, James, have you had a chance to look at the onboarding materials?
Not in depth yet, but I plan to go through them this afternoon.
Perfect. Once you're done, let's sit down and discuss some of our ongoing campaigns. I'll also show you how we track performance metrics and set goals.
Do you use specific tools for tracking these metrics?
Yep, we primarily use Google Analytics and HubSpot. If you're unfamiliar with either, I can show you the basics.
That would be really helpful. Thanks, Danny.
No worries. Let's aim for tomorrow morning. For now, just get comfortable and don't hesitate to ask if you need anything.
Actually, I was wondering if you could walk me through your daily tasks so I can get a sense of the workflow.
Sure. So, a typical day involves checking campaign performance metrics in the morning. I focus on our social media ads, while others handle email marketing or partnerships.
Got it. What about brainstorming sessions? Are they a regular thing?
Absolutely. We usually have weekly brainstorming meetings. They're a lot of fun and very collaborative.
That sounds awesome. I'm looking forward to those.
Come on, James. Let's have some lunch.
Great. I'm a bit hungry too. Where are we going?
We usually go to the canteen, but since it's your first day, let's head out instead. There's a nice bistro 2 blocks away.
I'm honored. But would that be inconvenient for you?
Not at all. Our break is an hour and a half, so we're not in a rush. Plus, I'm in the mood for something different.
Oh, what's the canteen like?
It's pretty decent. They serve a variety of options, salads, hot meals, and sandwiches.
Should we wait for Danny? I think he's still in the meeting with Chris.
I already texted him. He said he'll join us later.
Great! Let's go then, shall we?
James, got a minute?
Sure.
I'm heading to the storeroom. I thought you might need some stationery too. Would you like to come along?
Yes, that'd be great.
Our office storeroom is on the 3rd floor, just 1 floor below. You can either take the lift or use the stairs through the emergency exit.
That's convenient.
Yes, it is. Here you can grab anything you need. Folders and other stationery items are stored and organized in different cabinets. We've labeled them so it's easy to find what you're looking for.
That's neat.
Feel free to look around and check for yourself.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yes, I just need a couple of things.
Okay. There's a log on the computer where you have to record what you take. It's quick and easy, just your name, ID number, and the supplies you're taking.
I'll do it after you.
Good. All set then.
James, how was your first day?
It was great. Everyone's been super helpful. I still have a lot to learn, but I'm feeling optimistic.
That's what we like to hear. Take your time getting up to speed. By the way, don't forget to complete the onboarding checklist by the end of the week.
I'll get on it. Thanks for the reminder.
No problem. See you tomorrow, James. Have a good evening.
You too, Laura. Thanks again.
Thanks for watching. We hope these conversations gave you practical phrases to use in your workplace. Don't forget to practice what you've learned, and share your favorite expressions in the comments below. For more real-life English tips and lessons, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you next time on English Focus. Keep learning, and good luck with your English journey.